and it's a place I know where time slows down, where every breath feels like a gift. Living there is a therapy, the place that makes you truly live in the present. I wanted to travel to that place and spend some quality time for myself. So I rode and came to a place called Green Mountain of Sri Lanka, Haritha Kanda. This is one of the most interesting parts of riding a bike. Riding a bike between tea estates is one of the best feelings I have ever experienced. The wind that touches me and the breath I inhale. Wow, that's the next level feeling I ever get when riding a bike in the hillside of the country.
ஐயா ஆகர பார்த்து இப்படி போகிறேன் இப்படி ரைட் சைடு ரைட்டு டவுனில் ரைட் சைடு.
Passing through all types of roads to spend my night today. Passing through broken roads, muddy roads, and even no roads to reach this beautiful place. But you would go through whatever difficulties to spend a night in a place that feels like no other. The journey wasn't about reaching the destination. It was about every moment that connected me to the earth, the sky, and everything in between. This video is about amazing time I spent at Haritha Kanda, relaxing in the midst of nature and cooking my own food. The time is now 5:50 a.m. and it is freezing cold outside. This was the moment I had been waiting for to feel the nature, which brings me to a whole new world. The climate I feel, the mist I see here, and the greenery of this place creates so many feelings swirling in my mind. You might have heard people say, "I found heaven on earth." I'm sure this is the place they talk about. Moments like these remind you of life's simple pleasures. Being here at Haritha Kanda, surrounded not only by mountains, but also by silence, covered not only by mist, but also by patience. In the world we live in, we find ourselves surrounded by noise and negativity always. But the moment you live here, you truly find peace and positivity. For me, this is not just an experience, it's a reminder that there is always a corner of the world waiting to embrace you with its beauty. Haritha Kanda has become one of my favorite places that I always wanted to visit. As I packed up to leave, I carried more than just memories. I carried a piece of Haritha Kanda's peace in my heart. I realized I wasn't just saying goodbye to a place, I was saying goodbye to a chapter of peace that will stay with me forever. Goodbye until the next video.